Imagine a road trip where you don't need a massive RV, an expensive fuel budget, or even a traditional camper van. Instead, picture a compact, eco-friendly, and adventure-ready vehicle that combines the agility of a tricycle with the comfort of an RV. Welcome to the world of the Camper Tricycle RV, a game-changer in the world of tiny, efficient, and sustainable travel. This futuristic yet practical vehicle is designed for those who crave adventure without the hassle of oversized campers. Built on a three-wheel chassis, the Camper Tricycle RV offers the perfect blend of mobility and functionality. It's small enough to maneuver through narrow city streets yet robust enough to take on long-distance journeys. The best part? It doesn't guzzle fuel like a traditional RV, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious and eco-friendly travelers. One of the standout features of the Camper Tricycle RV is its innovative design. It may look compact from the outside, but inside, it's a marvel of space efficiency. The interior is equipped with a cozy sleeping area, a foldable dining table, and cleverly designed storage compartments that maximize every inch of space. Some models even come with a small kitchenette, allowing travelers to cook meals on the go without relying on roadside diners. Powering this unique vehicle is an electric or hybrid engine, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. Many modern designs also incorporate solar panels on the roof, providing sustainable energy for lighting, small appliances, and even climate control. Imagine parking at a scenic spot, unfolding your mini patio, and enjoying the view, all powered by the sun. When it comes to comfort, the Camper Tricycle RV doesn't disappoint. Despite its size, the sleeping area is surprisingly cozy, with options for a fold-out bed that accommodates one or two people. Some advanced models even feature a pop-up roof, increasing headroom and ventilation, making overnight stays much more comfortable. With insulated walls and optional heating and cooling units, this tiny home on wheels is perfect for all seasons. Another great advantage is the freedom it offers. Unlike traditional RVs that require special parking spots or large campsites, the Camper Tricycle RV can fit almost anywhere. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of a new city or parking by a tranquil lakeside, you can set up camp with ease. This flexibility makes it ideal for solo travelers, couples, or even digital nomads looking for a unique way to explore the world. Safety is also a key feature. With a reinforced frame, durable tires, and modern braking systems, this tricycle camper is designed to handle various terrains while keeping you secure. LED lights, rear-view cameras, and smart navigation systems enhance the driving experience, making it easy to navigate both urban and rural landscapes. Some models even include emergency SOS features, ensuring peace of mind while traveling in remote areas. For those who love customization, the Camper Tricycle RV offers plenty of options. Want to add a built-in entertainment system? No problem. Need extra storage for camping gear? Modular compartments make it easy. Whether you prefer a minimalist setup or a fully loaded mini-home, there's a design to fit your needs. Some owners even add retractable awnings, bike racks, or mini trailers to enhance their travel experience. Another exciting aspect is its affordability. Compared to traditional RVs, the Camper Tricycle RV is significantly cheaper to buy and maintain. With lower insurance costs, reduced fuel expenses, and minimal maintenance, it's a great investment for those who want to travel without breaking the bank. Plus, since many models run on electricity, they qualify for eco-friendly incentives and tax benefits in some regions. The Camper Tricycle RV isn't just for long trips, it's also perfect for weekend getaways or daily commuting. Imagine using it for a scenic coastal ride, a camping trip in the mountains, or even as a mobile office for remote work. With a vehicle this versatile, the possibilities are endless. Looking at the growing trend of tiny homes and sustainable travel, the Camper Tricycle RV is set to become a popular choice among adventurers. Whether you're an urban explorer, a nature lover, or a budget traveler, this innovative vehicle offers a new way to experience the open road. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about embracing the journey, the freedom, and the simplicity of travel. So, if you've ever dreamed of owning an RV but felt discouraged by the cost, size, or environmental impact, this might be the perfect solution. The Camper Tricycle RV is proof that great adventures don't require massive vehicles. Sometimes, the best experiences come in the most compact, efficient, and creative forms. Are you ready to hit the road and explore the world in a whole new way? Let us know in the comments where you take your Camper Tricycle RV first.